Hello everyone, this is Math Connect. So today we will be granting another request from a friend. She is asking for a civil service exam review, especially for fraction. And this is the question. If you want to try, pause the video and let's see if we have the same solution. Here is the question. Two classes took an exam. If 1/4 of the students in class A and 1/3 of class B passed the exam, and if both classes have the same number of students who passed the exam, then what fraction of the entire group passed the test? So here is the solution. The question says, then what fraction of the entire group passed the test? That means that our answer should be in fraction form. So how to get the fraction of the number of passers? Number of passers over the total number of students who took the exam. The number of passers, that would be passers in class A and the number of passers in class B, over the number of students in class A plus the number of students in class B. The next clue here is it says if both classes have the same number of students. So that means the number of passers in class A is equal to the number of passers in class B. So that means I can replace this variable here with the number of passers in class B, because the number of passers in class A is equal to the number of passers in class B and vice versa. So I will be replacing this with number of passers in class B plus number of passers in class B over A plus B. So we can now combine these two terms because they are similar. So we have BP plus BP, that means there are 2 BP over A plus B. But remember, our answer should be in fraction form and it should be a number, not letters. So we need to replace all these variables by a number. Okay, so let's go back to the question and which clue can we get? Remember that the number of passers in class B is 1/3 of the class. So that means 1/3 of the class B. Then for class A, the number of students who passed is 1/4 of the entire class. So 1/4 of A. Look at this formula here. Both our numerator and denominator are B's. So we need to express A in terms of B so that we can combine all of them. How do we get the value of A? To get the value of A, we will be simplifying this part. Okay, so we have 1/4 of A equals 1/3 of B. How do we eliminate 4 from this side? So we just have to multiply 4 on both sides. So we can cancel 4 here, we can cancel 4 here. So we are left with 1 and A. So 1 times A is A. So we have here 4 times 1, that would be 4 over 3B. So A here is 4 over 3B. So let's simplify. So we will now substitute our values to our previous equation, which is 2BP over A plus B. So BP here is 1/3 B. So I will be replacing BP with 1/3 B all over. Our A is 4 over 3B plus B. Okay, let's simplify. If we are multiplying a whole number and a fraction, all we have to do is to multiply our whole number to the numerator. So 2 times 1 is 2. And then just copy the denominator and then the variable B. So next, 4 over 3B plus B. So what we are going to do is to express B in terms of the denominator 3. So that would be 4 over 3B plus 3 over 3B. Why is it 3 over 3? Because 3 over 3 or 3 divided by 3 is 1B. So that's 1B. So we express B here in terms of the denominator 3. So that's 3 over 3. We can finally simplify this one. Just copy the numerator first. Okay. So if we are adding similar fractions, when you say similar fractions, they have the same denominator, we can immediately add the numerator. So 4 plus 3 is 7 over 3B. we can cancel out now b here from the side, from the numerator and denominator. So we are left with 2 over 3 and 7 over 3. So remember, we have a grand fraction line here. So fraction means division. So that would mean 2 over 3 divided by 7 over 3. So we will be changing this operation to multiplication by getting the reciprocal of this fraction. So 2/3 times 3 over 7. As you can see, we can cancel 3 here, cancel 3 here, because they are in opposite positions. So we can now write what is left. 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 times 7 is 7. So our final answer is 2 over 7. So our answer is 2 over 7. So that means 2/7 of the entire test takers passed the exam. And if you have any question about my solution, or if you have any alternative solution, please drop it in the comment section. If you're planning to take civil service exam and you need a review in math, just let me know. I'm willing to help. See ya!